Set a goal so big that you can't achieve it until you grow into the person who can. How to set and achieve your yearly goals in 2025. Step-by-step guide. In today's video, we will dive deep into 10 actionable tips and creative strategies to help you plan and achieve your yearly goals. Whether you are aiming to advance your career, boost your health, or nurture your relationship, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for our comprehensive step-by-step guide to making 2025 a year to remember. What's up, social? Welcome back to Edutainpreneur, the channel where we seamlessly blend education, entertainment, and entrepreneurship. I'm Jamaluddin Azimi, your guide on this incredible journey. Ready to make 2025 your best year yet? Let's go to the steps. Step 1. Reflect on the past year. Look back to move forward. Review your achievements and challenges. Reflect on your past year. What were your most significant achievements and where you faced challenge? This step is crucial for understanding your strengths and areas for improvement. What were your biggest wins? What obstacles did you encounter? What strategies worked well and what didn't? Creative tip. Create a year in review. Journal with pictures, notes, and memories to visually reflect on your journey. Include photos, ticket stop, and small souvenir from significant events. Step 2. Define your vision. Dream big and get specific. Big picture thinking. Envision where you want to be by the end of 2025. Consider aspects of your life such as academics, health, career, relationship, and personal growth. Vision statement. Write a powerful vision statement that encapsulates your aspiration. For example, by the end of 2025, I will achieve personal skills, top grades, maintain a healthy lifestyle, and build strong friendship. Creative tip. Make a vision board with images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals. Use magazine printouts and draw your own image. Hang it somewhere you will see it daily to keep you inspired. Step 3. Set smart goals. From dreams to reality. Specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. The more specific you are, the easier it is to visualize and plan your steps. For example, I want to achieve a GPA of 3.8 by the end of the academic year. Measurable. Determine how you will track your progress. What metrics will you use to measure your success? For example, I will track my grades after each exam and assignment. Achievable. Ensure your goals are realistic and attainable. Setting overly ambitious goals can lead to burnout. For example, I will study for 2 hours every day and seek help from tutor if needed. Relevant. Align your goals with your vision and values. They should be meaningful and specific to you. For example, achieving a high GPA is important for my future career prospects. Time-bound. Set deadlines to achieve your goals. Having a time frame creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. For example, I will achieve a GPA goal by the end of the spring semester. Creative tip. Use colorful sticky notes to write each smart components and create a goal map on your wall. This visual representation can be a constant reminder of your objectives. Step 4. Break down goals into milestones. Small steps to big success. Quarterly milestone. Divide your yearly goals into smaller, manageable quarterly milestones. This makes them less overwhelming and more actionable. For example, quarter 1. Develop a study schedule and complete initial coursework. Quarter 2. Maintain consistent study habits and perform well on midterm. Quarter 3. Focus on group projects and prepare for final exam. Quarter 4. Review the year's progress and set new goals for the next year. Creative tip. Create a milestone tracker with visual checkpoints to mark your progress. Make a large calendar on a whiteboard to outline these milestones. Step 5. Create monthly and weekly plans. Plan with precision. Monthly goals. Break down quarterly milestone into monthly tasks. This ensures continuous progress and keeps you on track. For example, in January, develop a study schedule and review course syllabus. Weekly tasks. Further divide your monthly goals into weekly tasks. This level of granularity helps you manage your time effectively and ensure that you are making steady progress. For example, in the first week of January, organize your notes and complete initial readings. Creative tip. Use a colorful planner or digital app with reminders to keep you on track. Apps like Trello, Notion, and Asana can help you organize tasks and deadlines. Visual reminders help maintain your focus and momentum. Step 6. Implement time management skill. Boost productivity. Stop multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to increase your productivity and reduce errors. Multitasking can lead to decreased efficiency. For example, allocate a specific time slot for each subject and commit to completing it without distraction. Set deadlines. Setting clear deadlines for each task helps ensure you stay on track and complete tasks on time. For example, complete the research paper outline by January 15 and the first draft by February 1st. Take breaks. Regular breaks can help maintain your focus and prevent burnout. Follow the Pomodoro techniques, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. For example, use a timer to stick to the Pomodoro intervals and take short breaks to recharge. Delegate tasks. Don't be afraid of delegate non-critical tasks to free up time for more important goals. For example, delegate routine administrative tasks to a study group so you can focus on major assignments. Use time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for different tasks or activities throughout your day. This method helps you stay organized and manage your time effectively. For example, schedule blocks of time for focus study, group work, and leisure activities to ensure a balanced day. Step 7. Schedule regular reviews. Stay on course. Monthly and quarterly reviews. Set aside time at the end of each month and quarter to review your achievements and challenges. These reflections help you stay on course and make necessary adjustments to your plans. For example, at the end of each month, assess what you achieved and plan for the next month. Conduct a more comprehensive review every quarter to evaluate your overall progress. Creative tip. Have a review and reflect. Night with your favorite snacks and music to make it enjoyable. Use this time to journal about your progress and any challenges you faced. Making the review progress enjoyable ensures that you look forward to it. Step 8. Stay focused and accountable. Keep the momentum going. Accountability partner. Share your goals with someone who can provide support and keep you accountable. Regular check-ins can boost your motivation and help you stay on track. Reward and celebration. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, to stay motivated. Rewards can range from a special treat to a relaxing day off. For example, treat yourself to a special activity or reward when you reach a milestone. Creative tip. Create a reward jar with little treats or notes for yourself to enjoy when you hit a goal. This adds an element of surprise and excitement, making the journey toward your goals more enjoyable. Step 9. Be flexible and adapt. Embrace the change. Adjust goals as needed. Be prepared to adjust your goals if circumstances change or if you encounter unexpected challenges. Flexibility ensures you stay on track despite obstacles. If you face a significant obstacles, reassess your plan and modify your milestone and deadline accordingly. For example, if an unexpected event delays your progress on a project management certification course, adjust your timeline to accommodate a new situation without getting discouraged. Creative tip: use a erasable board or digital tool where you can easily adjust your plans. This way you can modify your goals without hassle. Tools like Trello and Notions are great for keeping your plans flexible and updated. Step 10. Maintain balance and self-care. Health is wealth. Maintaining a healthy balance between work, studies, and personal life is crucial for your overall well-being. Prioritize your physical and mental health throughout the year to ensure sustained productivity and happiness. Health and wellness: incorporate regular exercise, healthy eating, and mindfulness practices into your routine. A healthy body and mind are essential for achieving your goals. Establishing a consistent routine can help you stay energized and focused. For example, commit to exercising at least 3 times a week and following a balanced diet. Consider joining a fitness class, hiring a personal trainer, or participating in group activities to stay motivated. Mindfulness and relaxation. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help you manage stress and maintain mental clarity. Activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercise can significantly improve your mental well-being. For example, set aside time each day for mindfulness practices, whether it is a short meditation session in the morning or a relaxation yoga routine in the evening. Work-life balance. Ensure you maintain a healthy balance between academic and personal life. Overworking can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Set boundaries between study time and leisure activities to ensure you have time to relax and recharge. Creative tip: schedule me time blocks in your planner for activities you love and relaxation. This could include hobbies, reading, or simply unwinding with a good movie. Treat these blocks as non-negotiable appointments to prioritize your well-being. That's it for today. By following these detailed and creative tips, you will be well on your way to achieving your yearly goals and making 2025 a fantastic year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you in the next video. Bye.